How I learn Japanese without being bored. My daily Japanese study routine. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing my tips and daily study routine to help maintain my Japanese. I feel that these are the best methods that work for my lifestyle, so if there's anything that you want to change, please feel free to do so. Bianco! My experience with the Japanese language. In this moment right now, I feel like my level is somewhere around JLPT N3 to N2. I'm in the same boat as you guys. There's so much things to learn, and we're gonna do this together. I go back and forth, Japan to the US, specifically Hawaii because that's where I'm from. English is my primary language. I use it the most. When I'm in the US, I don't really speak too much Japanese, so I tend to be lazy and just communicate everything in English. Every 2 to 3 months or so, I fly back and forth. So I feel like I have to start all over again, and it really sucks. During the 2 years I was living in Japan as an English teacher, my Japanese was so good. It was so good. Consistency is key. Bianco! Here are my tips to kind of maintain my Japanese so I don't forget it, because memory is a muscle. Number 1. Morning yoga in Japanese. In my last 10 tips to maintain my Japanese, I said to try to consume as much media as you can in Japanese or whatever language you're trying to learn. I used to watch yoga with Cassandra. She's really good, by the way. I really like her. And now I switched to Be Life with Mariko or Japanese yoga. Yeah, it's absolutely free on YouTube. It's the first thing that I hear in the morning, and it kind of switches my brain to Japanese mode. Bianco! Number 2, vocal warm-ups and singing in Japanese. I love to sing, and it sets the tone for my day. Singing just brings up your mood, you know? Japanese lyrics and music composition are more intricate than American style composition, so it takes a lot of practice to just learn the melody.
4 chords in every anime theme, etc. It's 4, 5, 3, 6. And it's true, this is in the majority of anime themes, so there's kind of no wonder why it sounds so familiar.
This will also help with your pronunciation. You can associate certain words with the emotions in the songs, so it will help you make connections easier. I like to sing J-pop songs like Yoasobi, Ado, Yuri, Official Higedandism, and anime songs. Bianco! 3. Learn vocabulary and kanji effortlessly. I'm not gonna lie, vocabulary and kanji are the most difficult things. There are a lot of characters, and each character could represent many different meanings. I use spaced repetition method from the MochiMochi app to review kanji and vocabulary. This app uses an algorithm to analyze users' learning history, then calculates the golden time. This means it reminds you to review at the perfect time when your brain is about to forget the words. MochiMochi app forces my creative brain to take a break from editing videos. I have expanded my vocabulary, and now I'm able to recognize kanji like puzzle pieces. Oh. I also don't like to carry a lot of things with me because I am a bag lady. So when I have time to kill during my commute, I can just open up the app and learn a few words in the meantime. So by learning with spaced repetition and reviewing at golden time, I save a lot of time and effort. I also write these kanji in my notebook so I can practice the stroke orders, because who wants to have ugly handwriting? Not me. You? Bianco! 4. Consume lots of Japanese media. Okay, I watch a lot of TV, alright? From news to J-drama to anime to YouTube videos. I watch Asahi TV in the morning to stay updated. I also enjoy watching Ellie on Body Make channel and Emine on YouTube. The Many Faces of Ito, oh, that's a really good one. Love is Blind Japan, Bunny Girl Senpai, Spy Family are just a few of my recommendations to start. Most Japanese media editing styles have subtitles, which makes it easy and accurate to follow along. The Japanese audience are used to seeing text on screen with bright colors, different fonts, with funny sound effects. It's a graphic designer horror nightmare.
Bianco.
Number 5. Be friends with Japanese people or talk to my mom once a day. And no, you may not talk to my mom, but I can. You can talk to your mom in Japanese, but I don't know if she would. Yeah.
そんなことありませんよ。
We're gonna ask my mom. 外国人が浴衣を着ることってどう思いますか？
なんでいけないの？着るんだったら綺麗に着てほしいですね、その着物に対してリスペクトがないとちょっとダメ、
respect、こうやって肩出したりエロくなったりとかさ、
そう
ここが逆だったりとかさ、
ちゃんとした正しい着方を分かった上で着てもらったらすごくいいかと思うよね、日本人はねだんだん着物が着なくなってきたから普段でも着る機会があったら着た方がいい、だから一番着やすいのが浴衣だから浴衣なんかはもうね今流行ってるからどんどん着た方がいいと思うよ。
じゃあみんな頑張ってください。
Bianco.
I'm gonna tell you a secret. For some reason, I like myself when I'm speaking Japanese. It is so weird. I sound more aggressive and direct when I'm speaking English. My brain is always working double time and it's translating each other and it gets exhausting. Do you also feel like that too, my fellow bilinguals, polyglots? Even back at home in the US, I have one friend, at least one friend that I can talk to in Japanese. Liria-chan desu. Also, my massage therapist, Michiko-san, we talk in Japanese like 100% of the time. She's kind of like in between friend and my mom. She makes me beautiful, like inside and outside. When I don't speak Japanese for a long time, I know. Ugh! I can easily tell that I am struggling. They both keep me accountable.
Bianco.
I also make an effort to communicate with Japanese people in Japanese, whether it be Line or Instagram DM. Writing and reading are my weakest points, so I really need to push myself if I want a social life. I've been using MochiMochi app for a month now, and I have seen significant improvement in my vocabulary and kanji recognition. I've never encountered an app like this before. Look how many words MochiMochi has ingrained in my brain. I cannot get over this feeling when you are able to read kanji without the help of furigana.
Bianco.
Last but not least, number 7. Review kanji before bed. I use the MochiMochi app again one last time before bed, after I've consumed all my Japanese shows. I get sleepy faster when I'm bored. I really love that the MochiMochi app tracks your history and performance, then sends me a notice to review all kanji and Japanese words. While I'm doing passive things like brushing my teeth and stretching, this would be a good time to dedicate at least 15 minutes for a quick review. So what do you think of these tips? Do you have any study tips that you would like to share with us? Help us out, you know? Bunny gang, we're in this together. When one bunny fails, we all fail. When one bunny wins, we all win. You know what to do, comment below. Thank you, Bunny Gang, for joining me on my daily routine. じゃあまたね. See you next time.